I keep going into B5, even though I intend to go on B4. I'm trolling. I'm like not seeing numbers anymore. What? What the? No way! No way, dude! What the? 0 centimeters! Live on stream? I don't even know if that happened! I can't believe I did that live! I can't believe I did that live! I was here to watch it live! I can't believe it! Oh my god! Dude! What? Got magic hands! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, dude! Oh my god! I'm so excited! I'm so happy! Oh my god! I went from freaking -30 to 0! Oh my god! Oh my god! 0 centimeters! I got the Steam achievement! I did it! Oh my god! 92 on the Yamanote line! I can't believe I did that live! 0! I did it! Yay! Dude, the closest I've ever gotten was 4, man! I'm so glad I did that live. I'm so glad I did that live. Last time I stopped at 4, I also did it. I did the ain't no way thing, and I put my hands behind my head. Dude, sorry, I'm like going insane. I'm going insane. Oh my god. 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 Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, pretty, beautiful ocean. I can't. On the Hachinoe line. What? I gotta go to this place in real life and like sit on this exact train so I can celebrate the moment I hit 0 centimeters in JRE's train simulator. Oh my goodness. I lived for this. I'm alive to experience this moment. Thank you! Yay! I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Yeah! Yeah! You know, I didn't think that I would actually ever hit 0 centimeters on this game. I was like, maybe it's gonna like, you know, take me like multiple streams, you know, hours upon hours, like 30 hours before I hit a 0 stop, because that stuff is insane.